It's all snowy. Oh. Look how snowy that is. Car's covered with snow. Gotta come in because it's... Wow. Reaction to wow. Look at... You didn't even see it back. Dude, see the snow. I'd say that snow's a good probably 15, 16 inches of snow out, man. I'll say 18 inches. See it falling too.
Don't know feelings about
There's my uncle. There's Uncle Mark. Look at the wind.
I ain't writing a fucking kid. I ain't ever been.
Look at the wind out.
When in doubt, excuse me, bud. It better not be snowing again. I'll beat you up.
Two. Winds are probably gusting probably about 40 miles per hour out with a lot of two. Wow. Pretty crazy. Show you the snow too. Look how deep it is. About 18 inches of snow out. And cars are covered with snow. People have a hard time going up the hill too. Look at that. Snow. It sells. There's a snow in houses too. I'll show you the snow. Look at that. Snow on the ground. Almost like we are in Alaska, even though it's Ohio. Oh, look at that. Look at the blowing snow. That should be it for the video.